Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Apple ID name on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. Tap Apple ID in the top right. Select Name, Phone, Email from the left sidebar menu. Tap Edit to the right of your current name. Change the name to what you would like it to be and then tap Save. Your Apple ID name has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.